how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will show you a simple method to enable live option on your TikTok account, and it's working both Apple and Android devices. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, you need to go back and open your Apple Store or Play Store. Then guys, make sure to get the last version and the last update to your TikTok account. Then when you finish updating, just go back and open your TikTok account. Then on the bottom of the right, tap on your profile. And guys, at the top there is 3 lines. Then click on 3 lines. Then go directly to settings and privacy on the bottom. Then guys, you need to scroll to support and about section. Then click on report a problem on the first one. Then guys, you need to scroll to live option in the middle. Then wait a few seconds, just go to hosting live and tap on the second one, how to start live. Now tap on no. Then need more helps. Then guys, you need to tap your problem that TikTok support will help you to fix it. Then my problem is to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Then guys, you need to tap I am unable to go live. Kindly enable my live option because my fans would like to see me live. Then guys, hit on done. Then guys, you need to tap on submit. Then after 3 business days or 2 business days, your problem will fix it. Then guys, automatically your live option will add it to your account. It's work 100% because it's work with me and other people I know. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.